How to enable security key for Discord using Passkeys app. So let me head over to one of the article which is gonna guide you with the step-by-step process on how you can enable it. So this is one of the article which is gonna help you out. This process will only work for the beta version. The very first step is to log in into your Discord beta account. We'll log in into your account by entering your username and the password. After that, look for an option in your account settings related to security, privacy, or authentication. Within the security settings, you should find an option to enable passkeys. Click on Enable or Turn On. Then, the service will typically offer different methods for verification: text message, authentication app, email address, and the phone call. You can choose any of the verification method from these. Simply enter the verification code that you'll receive, and then you have to follow the on-screen instruction to complete the setup passkeys for secure and passwordless authentication. Once done, you have to log out of your account and log back in to test your passkey setup. Ensure that it's working as expected. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can enable security key on Discord using Passkeys app. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.